Great ideas to use in your junk journal, in your diary, or anywhere you want to embellish with a different touch. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use hairpins, how to use embroidery thread, how to use clear stamps, and much more in order to embellish your junk journal. Also, I have this amazing idea about how to print with your clear stamps using acrylic paint. And also, this is the final part of this journal that I want to finish in 2024 because it's time to move forward with another amazing journal for next year. As you can see here, I'm showing you a lot of details and let's have fun together. So, hi, welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and I'm gonna start using this amazing illustration I got from my mall somewhere from stores, and I love it because it's wearing a green dress that I love, and I'm going to embellish her with some embroidery thread that is where this tag came from. So I'm going to use colors that match, and as you can see here, the background of this page, I did it using some stems from the Dollar Tree and their feathers, and I didn't use any acrylic or oil pastel. For this one, I use my vintage distress photo, and as you can see, I have that beautiful brown in the back that also combined with that amazing orange on the other page. And I'm giving the lady like the sense of the I don't know, I'm giving her like the situation of feeling free or something, like leaving those thread behind, like having fun and be different. And as you can see here, this is the stencil. I cut it, it was round, kind of uncomfy to work with, but I cut and I separate all the feathers one by one. Then I have these two shop dinner play. I had it in gray and also multicolor. I'm gonna go ahead and use the multicolor because I think that matches perfectly with the idea of this page. I'm going to cover this with paper temporarily because I don't want the glue to go on the other page. This is an amazing page. Also, this one I dedicate to bees. And I'm going to link the video about this beautiful, I'll say like, it's like an accordion. And then I made it out of one box. I made 8 different elements, so which is amazing. And this one I wanted to go the same with butterfly and moth, so I found this amazing lady that is kind of a vintage, like oil painted on a book. And I match it with this amazing world map that has a lot of orange. And of course, with some monarch butterflies. So as you can see here, I have female and male. This is being a page I made with you in here about autumn, giving a new life and a new image to these models in dark magazine pages. And also, I had this for a long time. It's about music and melody and play. So I'm going to use it here because I have the guitar on the other page. With the guitar, I really wanted to do something different. I'm gonna leave the background just the way it is, but I decided to cut this monarch butterfly in 2 pieces, like in half, and I'm gonna glue them on top of the guitar. I think it's beautiful, I think it's different, and this is the way it's going to be looking like. Remember that butterflies and flowers are always a good choice. You can never go wrong when using butterflies or flowers. That is what I think. And I think a lot of people agree with that. And let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite thing to add to your journals. Are they butterflies? Are they flowers? Are they cards or roses or maybe orchids? Let me know in the comments down below. Here I had this I made with some acrylic paint and stencils, and that is a leaf. I'm gonna probably color that later. And here another model that came from that series. I'm gonna link the playlist down below. From magazines and models in a dark color, so I gave them a look of autumn and Halloween a little bit. Here, ideas for your gift cards, how to decorate them, how to reuse them in your journals. Actually, I have these here I made out of reverse stamping. I'm going to link it down below too. And it is an amazing technique. It's really easy, it's fun, and it's new. So probably you can try it on and let me know the results and how do you feel using it. Here I have another model with the same reverse stamping, which is awesome. I love her. And here is also reverse stamping using stencils. One more amazing model. I have her decorating her dress and all the see the bulb lights and the moon. So I have a lot of fun during autumn doing that. This is about Virginia and all the horses they have around there. And this I'm just going to leave it like that, like a division between two pages. Here I'm gonna do something, and I'm thinking like to use these three beautiful rabbits. I love this image. It came from a children's book, and I remember this paper I place here in order the glue to stay on place. And I'm gonna use it for giving these three little bunnies a background. And I'm thinking about a belly band, and that's what I'm going to do. Actually, on the other page, I have the gift card also that you can see. It's an amazing pocket and with a great idea. It's an accordion pocket, so I'm going to link it down below because it's beautiful, it's great, and it's different. I think we're all looking for different things to do in our journal. So I'm going to measure here. And as you can see, as this is going to be a belly band, I'm just going to glue on the two borders like one and the other side. Probably that is going to be a little bit longer than the page, that the background page, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to fold it to the back on the other page. Remember that this is the amazing sensation of our junk journals, diaries, glue books. You're free. You're free to create, you are free to feel and to organize the materials, the elements, just the way you want it, the way you feel it in that precise moment. So there's nothing better to live the present than making a junk journal or a journal or anything else you want to make. I remember this. I was trying the reverse stamping on paper, not clear paper, but regular paper. So I had that bird, and I'm just going to go around with brown color pencil. And as you can see here, that is the technique of reverse stamp. I'm going to link it down below. And that is the stamp I'm using everywhere because I really love the shape and the meaning. So that's gonna be in the belly band is so perfect, and you're gonna have it there so you can write in the back. This is an amazing quote. You can see that in the video also. I'm gonna link down below, and it's meaningful and it is beautiful. Here I have this all related with red and autumn colors, which I really love. I made that little envelope there. This is the singing lady, like waiting for her love. And I have this bromeliad here. And also this swatch of paint. You can see that in a new way to use quotes in your journal. This page here, Adventure, was one of the first pages I actually made in this journal Celebrate. I love it. I keep good memories about it. And an amazing thing is that you can remember like every moment, every decision you make. As you can see here, the reverse stamping, you can also cut the birds after you stamp them or file them with a nail file and then use it everywhere like stickers. These are another two models I made in the playlist for dark pages coming from magazines and models. And also I have these original and beautiful attached mini booklet in here in this journal Celebrate. So I'm gonna keep this journal like a bunch of ideas. It's like a visual library in which I can remember and I can go again and look at all the projects I've been doing. As I told you at the beginning of the video, probably you have this pin um, As I told you at the beginning of the video, probably you have some of these hairpins around. And I think that this is new, beautiful idea because you can have them as clips in your journal to hold materials in place. These are extremely nice because they're hearts and they have like a lot of glitter and shine, gold and silver. So it's an amazing idea. Also, I want to do something in this page, and let's look in here. I guess this is the perfect kind of spooky illustration with that shoe with a lot of feathers. So that's gonna combine a little bit with the page I have on the left. So this is going to be the page for the right page, and this illustration is perfect. So I'm gonna measure it, and I need to decide if I want those letters on top of the page or I'm just gonna get rid of the letters. Let me make the decision. As you can see, if you want to use magazine pages, don't get confused or don't get like so much into work. You just can fold and cut, nothing is gonna happen. Those pages are really thin and very handy. Here, as you can see, I decided to leave the letters. I love that title there and the white. And now, of course, I'm going to give this page a little bit more of a autumn touch with a bird. And as you can see, that is going to make this page to match perfectly with the previous page. So the lady is holding a crow, and now I have another bird like flying over here. As you can see, I added the glue first, but you can always go back and redo or remake or transform. Here, I dedicate this to Mary Antoinette. I have it there, the famous lady of the wigs and the special, the bohemian life. But I like it and I follow all the color scheme. And I think it's a beautiful page also. And that's matching with the map I have on the right. That is my wonderful Sicily. And here I have another little spot. I don't know what to do in here. This is just an image from a magazine, but it gives you the sense of a bunch of envelopes like all together. So I glued that butterfly in the center, and I'm gonna add a little bit of embroidery thread on the back to make it more texturized and different. So this is what I have for my page. And on the right, I have a bunch of stuff from Sicily, like apples. They have a beautiful ocean that is the Mar Tirreno, the Tirreno Sea, which is really cold, but it's super, super nice. So here I keep going with the theme of autumn and a wonderful coffee there with pumpkin and spices. And this page is also beautiful. That lady is the one that made ET a long time ago. So she's still like running a TV show, something, and is really, really nice. Here I have a pocket, two more birds that come from reverse stamping. This page I dedicated for kitchen, and that is a new way to use your quotes. You can see the video. I'm gonna link it down below so you can watch. This is just remembering me about Tuscany and lavender fields and amazing nature. So here I have another invention that I really loved, and is I was inspired during this autumn season and Halloween. So I had that flask from a lab, and so I color it on a clear page. We call this onion paper, so it's really clear and soft. And I had another mushroom on the back page. So when you go back and forth, is giving you the sense of having the mushrooms inside the flask. So I love it, and the result was great. About these two flowers, I made them spraying a little bit of acrylic paint on top of my clear stamps and then just pressing against the page. So if you have clear stamps, just use a brush and add some acrylic paint, not too much, and then press it against the paper. I'm gonna make a video to explain that. Also, for some of you, it's probably difficult to draw a face, and this is an amazing way to do it. Use the same onion paper, and then you can trace the face of the model, of the lady, of the kid, whatever you want to do. And it's very, very practical, it's easy, and the result is amazing. So I'm giving her a little touch with this chair. By the way, I've been collecting all these mother chairs and different styles of chairs. I'm going to show them to you in my next episode. Here, I decorate the whole background with a stencil, also from the dollar store. And I'm going to add this chair because it has the perfect tones. As you can see, the salmon or coral, and then that tone of green that goes perfect with the background. And there I have space to journal or to write some thoughts or quotes. And that is the pink in which I am finishing this amazing Celebrate journal. I am very happy to have you in here. I have another hairpin that I'm going to place around here. Let me see, where do I have something I want to keep in place? And probably in this page here, let me keep looking. Oh, this is the right place, because that plate with lobsters is always falling down. So as you can see, using these hairpins is amazing. Thank you for being here, my friends. This is only part 3 of Celebrate, but I'm coming with December Ember, so stay tuned. I need to do the journal. I need to make it because I want it to be special for the month of December. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now. Just click it here, leave me thumbs up, and of course I'm going to link the episodes down below in the description box in this video. You can always subscribe hitting here in the end in my picture, or also hitting here to the right bottom place of the screen. So hit that and you'll be subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next episode. Bye bye. Bye friends. Bye bye.